Hello friends, this video shows how you can sort rows in Google spreadsheet by date. So here we have got data, and this is the first column where we have mentioned manufacturing date. So we are going to sort this data by manufacturing date. So I have just reshuffled the data. So this is the 11th April 2018, this is 27th of May, and this is 31st of May. So if we sort, this should come first, that is Sydney row should come first because the date is in April. So before we sort the data, what you have to do is that the column, that date column, we need to put the data validation. For example, for adding the data validation, you have to select that and click on data validation, and over there you have to start from second row because that is where from our data starts, and here you have to select date and is a valid date. So what will happen is that this column will allow only valid dates, and then sorting will be easier. Otherwise, if this column is we do not put that validation date, valid date validation for this particular column, then sorting will not be easy. So make sure that if you want to sort any data by date, then what you have to do is first of all add this validation, and only then it will be easy for you to sort the data. So I have added that validation, and then what you have to do is that you have to select entire sheet, and then or whatever range you want to sort, select that, and then what you have to do is that you have to click on this one and then click on sort range, or you can also get that options from this one, data sort range as well, or you can select from this one as well. So if you right click, also this option is coming sort range. So once you do that, what happens is this particular pop-up will come up, and first checkbox is very important. Most of the data has got headers, so this first row is my header, so I'm gonna select this checkbox. If your data doesn't have a header, then you don't need to select that checkbox. Then here you have to choose the column by which you want to sort. Now I want to sort by manufacturing date, so I'm gonna select that one. Then ascending order or descending order, that you have to give, and then click on sort. You can also sort by multiple columns as well, like after sorting by manufacturing date, let us say you want to sort data by another column, then you can select the add another sort column like that. But right now I'm not gonna do that. I'm simply gonna click on sort. Then what is gonna happen is that this 11th April, this last row is gonna appear first because that is the first date if you sorted by that date, and you can see this 11th April is come first because that is the first date, and then 27th of May, and then 31st of May. So that is how you can sort the data in Google spreadsheet by date. Thanks for watching this video.